Back. So today we will be doing another exercise for calculate function. So we will be working on this exercise, which is using the remove filter function in DAX to modify the filter context of a measure in Power BI desktop. So I have already downloaded the file. You can just go here, click here, and you can download the file. I have already downloaded the file, so this is the file. So we have opened, and it's saying that when you select a country in the table, the average height of the gauge changes. Unfortunately, so does the maximum values. So okay, for example, if I click on China, yeah, it's changing, and it's Kuwait, Malaysia, yeah, so it's changing. Okay, create a new measure called maximum height no filter. Okay, so it's saying that if we click on any of these countries, the gauge maximum height should not change. Okay, so we need to create one more measure called maximum height no filter. So in here I will add one more measure called max height no filter, which is I can use calculate function, and then I can use this max height, and then keep filters on buildings, or is it countries? Country name. Okay, and if I click here, instead of average, I will take this max with no filter. Okay, this is giving us okay, type of United. Yeah, so in this, so here I was using this key filter function, so I forgot that we do not need to use the key filter function. We need to use the remove filter function on the countries, and I will click OK. Now if you can see here, I have used this max height with no filter, which is 8 to 8 is the maximum. So if I click any of these countries, if you can see, the 8 to 8 is not changing. Earlier it was changing, so it's right now not changing, so that's good for us. So yeah, this one, when you select the country, it's changing. Now it's not changing. Till here we are okay. Now it's saying that create a new measure called average height all countries, which calculate the average height of the buildings, removing any filter applied on the country. Okay, so we will name it as average height all countries. I will add one more measure called all countries. So we need to calculate the average height of the country and remove filters, removing any filter applied on the country. If I click enter and if I put this average height for all countries in the table, you can see 416.05 for each. So yes, we are getting accurate value till here. Now it's saying that add a new measure called average height compared to all countries. We will do the minus thing here again. We will minus height of all countries minus average height. So let's work on average height versus all countries. We will be minusing average height all countries minus average height, and then enter, and then we will be adding this here. So yeah, we are getting the values here like this. So we can add the conditional formatting here with the data bars. Lowest we can do this, and highest we can do like the red color. So I will click OK. So here you can see we are getting some data bars here. Now we will check the numbers if we are getting accurate numbers or not. For Malaysia it's 59.71, Malaysia 59.71, and then Russia 32.32, and then 76.95, 76.95. Yeah, right now it's in minus, so I think we have taken average. So we need to take average height first, then the average height for others, like this. And I will remove this from here, this also. Yep. So now it's 59.71 minus 32.32 and 76.5. Yeah, so we are getting accurate values. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.